Please don't touch. Oh, Bugatti. Wow. Definitely you are in Dubai. दुबई पे और ऐसी चीजें ना मिले. Supercar Blondie, Rolls Royce. Oh man. VIP motors.
That's a really nice car. This is exciting, you guys. I've decided to buy another car, got my rolls. I never had a reason to buy more than one car before now because I was always traveling. Now I'm here in Dubai all the time. I've decided to get a supercar as well.
Okay. Holy moly! Wow!
Look at this. This is what you get in Dubai, guys. We're at VIP Motors. Look at this.
VIP motors यार ये तो सही में छापते होंगे.
Once you come in, you think you've got your
F1
mind
की
made up.
गाड़ी भी है.
Exposed carbon fibre. Exposed carbon fibre.
Check it, yeah. Avon, McLaren, Bugattis, Ferraris.
This is a 720S, McLaren 720S. But we are going to test drive this baby today. 710 horsepower, twin turbo V8, 0 to 100 in under 3 seconds.
Oh.
The 720S new is about $300,000. The Ferrari Pista is around $330. So the Pista is slightly more expensive than the 720S. This is another option, GT2 and again, very similar specs, 700 horsepower and just under 3 seconds, 0 to 100. So it's quite cool here with the gills here on the side, the carbon fibre gills. Also, it's around the same price new. So we've got the 720, we've got the Ferrari Pista, and we've got the GT2 RS. They're all kind of in the same league. It just really depends on what you like better. Like, what do you like the look of more, and what do you like the feel of more to drive? I love Porsche. I've owned 2 Porsches, only Boxsters, but still have absolutely loved them. My issue is when you go into this kind of price league, I want it to look more like a supercar than this does. To me, Porsches all kind of look the same shape. I know a lot of Porsche lovers will be like, no, you're crazy, they look totally different. To me, not really. This one has a massive wing on the back. Also something I have an issue with. I'm not a massive fan of like big wings. I don't know what it is about it. It just doesn't feel right to me. So although I love the feel of driving a Porsche, I'm not sure if this car is right for me. But it's super sporty. It's a super
यार मुझे मिल जाए पोर्श में तो.
That smells new.
Okay. Oh, H2.
But now I've got the rolls out here.
No, it's not H2. Sorry, it's not H2.
All such different colours.
Check them out, yeah. Oh.
This is actually beautiful. Love the look of this
I
car.
think
Love the sound
yeah.
of this car. I love the design. My issue with Ferraris is it doesn't really stick to the ground. It kind of plays around, and I know that's why a lot of people love Ferraris. For me, I'd rather get something that like sticks to the road. So you slam your foot down and you're not worried about the back end kind of like spinning out and playing around. But this would be an incredible car as well. So what do you think?
Fantastic, yeah.
Look at this spending.
not gonna love it? Who's not gonna love it?
This is just
V8.
straight into the engine. This is so massive, this window. You rarely get to see that much of an engine in a car. That's really special. Alright, here we are. This is it.
Ferrari again.
Brand new 720S. It's got 0 kilometers on the clock. 2018.
No.
I'm gonna actually take this baby out for a test drive, keep mileage super low, just to be able to get a feel if this is the one. Is this the one?
पता नहीं ये कौन सी गाड़ी ढूंढ रही है?
Follow this car. This shape here kind of reminds me of when you get ice cream out of the machine. It kind of swirls and top of the phone. That's kind of what this reminds me of. I know that's a little bit weird. What I also love is, of course, the doors, how McLaren doors. How can you not be impressed by a door like this? It just opens up here on the top as well. That's really cool. So this makes it so much easier to get in because the door opens half of the roof at the same time. This is brand new. Let me smell it. Let's do the smell test. This is beautiful. So this is Alcantara. This isn't, like the standard. It's a soft the whole interior is Alcantara. I've actually never seen that before. That's quite special. And then a bit of carbon fibre here in the middle and up here as well. This interior isn't my favourite colour. I prefer lighter interiors, but because it's all in one colour, it gives me a lot more choice for the exterior colour. So because this is all kind of grey, it's like a charcoal, it means I can like go crazy with the exterior wrap because it'll always match the interior. Whatever colour I get on the outside, I can match the stitch here to the outside. I can get the stitch. I can get extra panels put in here of colour. Whatever I want, really. I've got an amazing partner in the UAE who will do all of that, who actually did Lucy. So yeah, all right. I think it's time.
Yeah. Oh यार Super Blondie जैसा life.
First things first, we're going to test how easy it is to get in. And also, look, I've just noticed this room here in the back. Perfect. For my bag, that's your boot space. You can do a little bit of shopping. Yeah, easy. Very easy. Oh yeah. Look how wide of an angle this is to get into this car. And what? Let's make it forward. Alright. Alright. Turn her on. Oops. No. Okay. Start. Just this simple.
Oh. Oh yeah. Check follow. God damn it.
It has a little pouch here for the key, I think. So it's going to live there, I think.
But not that much.
Pretty special.
Good? Not that much.
That's an impressive one. It's a very impressive.
Rims, wow.
I was
ये
iffy
rims
before I got
से
into
ज़्यादा
that
बड़ी है.
Very
Rims
nice
बहुत
up
आला है.
next to the walls.
Rims पे भी नजर पड़ी
There are
है।
lots of things I love about this car. One of the things is the speed. And it handles corners amazingly as McLarens do. All right, so we're just gonna take it off. No, what do you reckon, Nick Cars? You're in this too. Should it join the Supercar Blondie family?
Yeah, it's
720.
amazing.
Out of all of the cars that we looked at today, this is my top pick, I think. I would want to put on a different exhaust just to make it sound a little bit more extreme. Because yeah, I'm not a massive fan of how like quiet it is in the cabin. Like I want to hear the roar.
Okay, इतनी आवाज
I don't want to push it too much because it's literally got no miles on the clock. So maybe we should take out another 720S that's got some miles on it just so I can push it and feel it. Because while I love this, I really actually want to experience what is the best part of a 720S, which is the 0 to 100, 2.9 seconds. It's crazy extreme fast. I'm just going to lift the front and, you know, the McLaren app, this is, I don't think you just press that up twice. No, you push this in and then press it. There you go. See, it's not very intuitive. That's the only thing. A lot of other cars, you just literally press a button and it says, oh, he just went like this, like this. Okay, that's good. That's a tick of approval, I think. We got the thumbs up. These guys are also going to buy something. Lockdown is just lifted, so everyone's come out to buy cars. It's kind of a Dubai thing.
Oh yes, definitely it's you are in Dubai, so what do you expect? Yeah, drinks बहुत ही
So
आता है।
you can raise the whole seat like this. Okay, that's good. And then you can. Oh my god, that's so low. I can't see over the dash. Okay, about there is right. And then how do I put this thing up again? I can't remember. Oh, don't tell. Oh, it's manual. You're kidding me. Look. I think this is a good position. Forgot about that. All right, no worries. That's okay. We can deal with that. And the other thing that is annoying though is you can't flick these two paddles back to put it into neutral. That's a really handy thing to have. That's what the Hurricane does, for example. You flick both back, you're in neutral, give it a quick rev, pop it back into first and off you go. You have to press this button here, which is a little bit annoying because you want to keep your eyes on the road. And this is the drive select, and then to put it in manual, it's like you've got to remember to first push active and then manual or automatic. So there's lots of little buttons that you have to get used to. A cool thing is, look what happens to this screen. Put it in track mode. And look, it kind of tucks away into the front, and now you can just see a very small screen here so that you can have more attention on the track in front of you, and you just get the very basic essentials here in front. Right, is this it?
She
Like,
is
I can't
going
make
to
a
buy
decision.
this.
It's kind of scary. I've never bought this many cars before in a 1 month window. It's I feel very nervous about it, actually. It's like a position I've never been in my life. When I first got to Dubai, I was actually driving a Chevrolet Spark with no air conditioning. And, you know, and so I don't take any of this for granted. This is really such an incredible thing to even be considering buying a 720S. And I know I'm kind of being very picky here, going, oh, this is not exactly the way I like it, or this and that. But that's because this is a big decision, and I want to make sure that I get the right car. And yeah, this might be it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. Should I buy the 720S? Because this baby might be gone tomorrow. You never know when things are going to just fly out of the showroom here in Dubai. So I need to make a decision very, very quickly. Let me know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Love ya. Join the Supercar Blondie family if you haven't yet. Got so much more to come. And yeah, give the video a quick thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next vid. Bye.
Bye. And give the thumbs up for this video as well. Just kidding. Well, एंड पे जो उसने क्वेश्चन पूछा है यार, मुझे मतलब कि नहीं यार, she should have to switch to another one. Well, मेरे माइंड पे तो इस वक्त जो है beside of a McLaren, I will suggest to buy one of the Lamborghini or the Ferrari beside of a McLaren. उसके अलावा उसके साथ अगर उसको जो है ना वो लेना चाहे तो go for the Lamborghini or go for the Ferrari. Okay, not for हाँ निसान पे तो खाली Godzilla ही रह गया, निसान पे जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बस ये दो बचते हैं जो उसके लेवल के हैं, लेकिन डेफिनेटली यार what can I say, ये Supercar Blondie इसने क्या कहा कि जब ये फर्स्ट टाइम दुबई आई थी तो वोफ का जो है ना वो उसने गाड़ी पे था और आई थिंक वोफ गाड़ी का नाम था, तो उसका एयर कंडीशन भी नहीं चलता था. एंड राइट नाउ शी इज सिटिंग इन द मैक्लेरियन. I mean, can you believe that? Can you really believe that? I mean, this is definitely वो literally इस सिचुएशन में दुबई गई हुई और गाड़ी शॉपिंग करने के लिए. I mean यार wow, this is definitely fantastic. I mean मुझे तो यार बड़ा दिलचस्पी है, मतलब कि बहुत पसंद आया यार. कि आई होप कि आप लोगों को भी जो है ना वो मेरा रिएक्शन पसंद आया हो. तो मैं ऐसे ही चीज़ें ऐसे वीडियोस पे रिएक्शन ज़रूर आप लोगों तक पहुंचाता रहूँगा यार. अगर आप लोगों ने कीप ऑन प्यार इस चैनल पे देते रहेंगे तो आई होप कि आप लोगों को भी पसंद आया अगर रिएक्शन, तो प्लीज़ गिव इट डबल थम्स अप, ठीक है. और सजेशन दीजिएगा इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो, शेयर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिलीज के साथ, और जो है ना सब्सक्राइब करना तो डेफिनेटली ना भूलिएगा. सब्सक्राइब इज़ द बिगेस्ट थिंग यू हैव टू मेक इट. तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, बेल आइकन दबाइएगा, एंड प्लीज़ डू वॉच द प्रीवियस वीडियोज एज़ वेल. टेक केयर, टाटा.